I'm gonna show you how to fold this pop-up portable green screen. Hey, this thing is pretty handy. You can get this off of Amazon. Just look in the description below. It'll be the first thing on the description below. Just click that link and you can go purchase one of these. But this thing is really handy. You know, you just take it out of the case and it just pops up. And you got this little hook and it comes with the stand and everything. So you just hook it on this little hook right here, and they give you two of those little hooks. And look, and I'm about 6 feet, so you got plenty of space on here for your green screen. So I'm gonna show you how to fold this thing. This is where it gets a little difficult, but it's simple. Just follow these few little steps. First, you grab it to the top at 12 and 9 o'clock position, and you pull your hands together. And at the same time, once it gets close, you twist your right wrist. You see how I twist that? And it'll kind of pop into place. See how it popped up there to my right hand? And that's it. So we're going to do it again. I'm going to put it on the blue side. So that thing just pops up. And this thing's really handy. It's portable. You can put it in your vehicle, take it with you. But first, what you want to do is grab it at the 12 and 9 o'clock position. Pull your hands together. And at the same time, when it gets close, your hands get close, twist your right wrist. You see right there? You twist it and it folds and it reach down and pull that other piece up. And I'm gonna show you something to know you got it right. You know, you see the green right there. You got green right there and green right there. If you turn it around the other way, you have blue, 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 blue. And that's it. And that's real simple. I know it took me a while to figure this out, and I'm gonna show you this again, but this time I'm gonna do it in slow motion because I've seen a lot of these videos. I had to slow it down. Okay, we'll go in slow motion right here. You bring your hands together. You know, you had it at the 12 and 9 o'clock position, and you're gonna see me start twisting my right wrist. You see how I twisted it? And then it comes together. You see my left hand, then that blue part popped up there to my right hand. That's it. It's that simple. And then once you get it all together, you just put it in your case and you're ready to go. And if you want to purchase one of these, like I said, look in the description below, or I'll try to also put it in that drop down at the top. And the size of this thing, as you can see, like I said, I'm about right at 6 feet, and this thing is plenty enough space to do what you want to do. Like I said, if you want to purchase one of these, look in the description below. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna put the link also in the top in the drop down. All right, have a great day. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm gonna leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.